Hola Kata, yo hice este video para ti y ojalá que disfrutes. Y te extraño mucho. I took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain, then I turned around and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills. Well, the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Oh, 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 oh. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you. The time makes you bolder, children get older, I'm getting older too. Well, so take this love and take it down. If you climb a mountain and you turn around, if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide brought me down. If you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, maybe, well, maybe, well, maybe the landslide'll bring you down. Te extraño, Kata. Te quiero mucho, mucho. Besitos.